Hello guys, here's part 2 of the fan. So recently when the blade fell off, it started to not work really good. So I tried to spin it. Look how bad this capacitor is. Look. It just stops. It's like a jam. Can't even really get a good spin on it. Because of the freaking saggy. You can see where the blade fell off. I'll show you where the blade is. It's like on the right here. Here's the blade. Yeah, that recently was on the fan, but it recently ripped off. Because like I'm gonna try to still attach it. See, look. I can't attach it anymore. See, look, it used to do this, like you ripped like this, but the blade from the wing guts blown it off like that, and it fell off. This poor fan does not work anymore. It's on this porch too. It's sagging, like getting ready to sag all the way down. More than this, really droopy fan. It does not even. You can't even spin it. Oh, got the fan. Yeah, you can't even move it or it keeps falling. The fan's kind of fragile. Really fragile, that is. You can't even wiggle it. You can't even wiggle and move it. I'm gonna try to spin it. Watch this. Look how bad that is. It stops. Like the fan cannot even do it, so it's kind of ripped off right now. This is what the blade used to do before it got ripped off. Yeah, and the chain on this is super little. That's why they have the chain like this. See, look, it used to clip on like right here, but look, it just falls off now because it doesn't work. Poor fan does not work anymore. It's been sitting out there for 4 years. And I got this fan. The blades, I'll show you what the blades were like on this thing when I got it, when I had it out there for a year. So it was like, the blades were like this. See how high that is? Like the blades looked like that before I had it. They sagged a little bit. But now they sag all the way down. And I feel bad for this. It's like it deserves a home. Recently, yeah. And the blades.